unboxing this Taba squishy from Amazon. We're about to see if it's actually worth $11. Okay, now I'm gonna open this up. That's my scissors, thank you.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, now let me show you the Taba squishy.
This is so soft. I know some people grab it with gloves because they say it's pretty messy. But no, not me. I've never felt a Taba squishy before. It feels so beautiful, and look at the little eyes. It's soft, it's like super squishy, and it's cute. It's like the cutest squishy I've ever seen in my life. Now, enough pets, let's see the jiggle test.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Thank you guys for watching these videos. Thank you all. And if you want more videos just like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, please.